Hi there, I'm IELTS Master Lee, and welcome to this Writing Task 2 video lesson, How to Write an Introduction, Part 3, Problem Solving and Two-Part Questions. In this series on writing an introduction, you will learn, number 1, the goals of the IELTS Task 2 essay introduction. Number 2, the only two things that you need for a complete introduction. Number 3, introductions for each Task 2 question type. The opinion question, the discussion question, the problem-solving question, and the two-part question. And also common introduction mistakes. And of course, there will be model introductions and an action step in each lesson. So, in this lesson, we're going to focus on problem-solving questions and two-part questions. If you haven't listened to the Lesson 1 or Lesson 2 parts yet, I recommend you stop this video and go watch those videos first. Come back to this one when you're finished. All right? With that, let's get started. What are the goals of an introduction? Well, we need to, number 1, introduce the topic. It's an introduction you need to introduce. So introduce the topic of the task to the reader. Number 2, give your answer to the question. The IELTS Task 2 writing topics will ask you a question. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Discuss both views and give your own opinion. What are the causes of a problem and what are some solutions? You need to give a general answer to these questions in the introduction. And finally, explain the structure of your essay to the reader. This will help your coherence and cohesion score. All right? Let's take a look at some model answers next. First, problem-solving question, model answer. Starting with the left, problem-solving questions. You need to introduce the topic, number 1, and then number 2, explain the general cause of the problem and give a general solution. Let's look at this question. In some countries, the average weight of people is increasing, and their levels of health and fitness are decreasing. What do you think are the causes of these problems, and what measures could be taken to solve them? And the sample answer, the model answer. In different countries around the world, levels of health and fitness are deteriorating, and average weight is increasing. The main causes of these problems are poor nutrition and exercise habits. Fortunately, we can solve these issues by focusing on providing healthier food and more opportunities to exercise. Okay? So number 1 on the left, I'm introducing the topic in this very first sentence. And number 2, explaining the general cause. Well, here we can see poor nutrition and exercise habits. And the solution, providing healthier food and more opportunities to exercise. Now we're also giving a structure here. In one paragraph, in body paragraph A, it's very likely I'm going to talk about the main causes. And in body paragraph B, it's likely I'm going to talk about these solutions. It's very clear when you read this introduction what the body paragraphs are going to be about. Now let's take a look at a two-part question model answer. For two-part questions, you'll want to first introduce the topic, and second, give a general answer to the two questions, or to each question. The topic here is nowadays, the way many people interact with each other has changed because of technology. In what ways has technology affected the types of relationships people make? Has this become a positive or negative development? And my model answer here. Social technology has changed the way that people communicate in the modern world. This is number 1. I'm introducing the topic. Because of it, people are able to communicate with each other instantly across long distances and maintain relationships throughout life that would never have been possible in the past. This is the first body paragraph. And this is answering the question, in what ways has technology affected the types of relationships people make? Next. While this technology has also had negative effects on relationships, overall, the advantages far outweigh the drawbacks. And so this is my opinion. Is this a positive or negative development? And so in the second body paragraph, I'll talk a little bit about these negative effects, but also about why the positive effects that I introduce before are much stronger than the negative effects. All right, so this is the second model answer. Your action step for today is to find an IELTS problem-solving question and a two-part question. Of course, you can use the ones from this video. Follow my steps to write an introduction for each one, and post your introduction in the comments. Take a look at other introductions. What are they doing well? Where can they improve? Where can you improve? Hopefully it's a good resource for you, and I'll take a look through these comments as well. Thanks so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful for you. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can find us at youtube.com/IELTSmaster and www.IELTS-master.com. Have a fantastic day.